Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate icon sets in Figma Community step by step clearly. To activate icon sets in Figma Community, start by opening Figma on your device. Sign in to your Figma account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the Figma Community section from the left sidebar. In the search bar at the top, type icon sets to find available options. Browse through the icon sets that appear in the search results. Select an icon set that interests you by clicking on its thumbnail. On the right side of the screen, you'll see an option to duplicate the file. Click the duplicate button to create a copy of the icon set to your drafts. After that, navigate to your drafts by clicking on the Drafts section in the sidebar. Open the duplicated icon set file by clicking on it. From here, you can explore the design and organization of the icons. To use an icon, simply select it by clicking on it. Then, copy the selected icon by pressing Command+C on Mac or Control+C on Windows. Now, open the Figma file where you want to use the icon. Paste the copied icon by pressing Command+V on Mac or Control+V on Windows. You can then resize or adjust the icon as needed. Repeat this process for any other icons you wish to use. Remember to credit the icon set creator if you use their work in your projects. Once finished, your design will be enhanced with the new icons from Figma Community. This method allows you to seamlessly integrate icons into your workflow. Explore different icon sets to find the styles that best suit your projects. Enjoy the creative possibilities with Figma's extensive community resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.